Hello and welcome to another edition of Jackys Cooking Show. Today I'm going to show you how to make small jam tarts for the family. Today's ingredients is as follows: 1.5 cup of cake flour, 100 gram of butter, 60 ml of water and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Step 1 is I'm going to add the 1 tablespoon of sugar into the flour with the 100 grams of butter also into the flour. Now I'm going to mix the butter into the flour and the sugar mixture. After mixing, I'm going to put in the water to make the base. After the base is ready, I'm going to put it into a plastic bag into the freezer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to take out the base and roll it out into circles. I'm going to put my circles into my prepared pan. After my base is done, I'm going to start with my mixture for the topping. The ingredients for my topping is 3 egg whites, 1 cup of coconut and 1 tablespoon of custard sugar. Separating the eggs, I'm going to beat the egg whites. After beating of 3 minutes, I'm going to put in my sugar and then beat it again for 1 minute. Now I'm going to add in my coconut and then I'm going to stir it. After preheat my oven at 200 degrees, I'm going to fill up my base with apricot jam and my coconut topping. Once we're done Thank you for watching this episode. Please remember to subscribe. Until next time.